Fibered aluminum roofing coating in Baltimore, Maryland. If you're looking for a way to protect your roof from the UV rays and wind damage, then a fiberglass or aluminum roof coating may be the perfect solution for you. A fibered aluminum roof coating is made up of a fiberglass or acrylic resin base and an emulsified asphalt binder. The installation of a fibered aluminum roof coating is a simple process that can be done by a pro or homeowner. The life of a roof coating is typically around 10 years. When choosing a fibered aluminum roof coating, it is important to first determine the type of roofing material that will be installed over it. There are 3 types of fibered aluminum roof coating: FARC, single ply, 2-ply and 3-ply. Summer is the ideal time to consider a fibered aluminum roof coating for its ability to decrease heat penetration and withstand wind, hail, and other weather damage to your home's roof. In addition, a fibered aluminum roof coating can also help you save money on your energy bills by reflecting the sun's rays and helping to keep your home cooler in the summer months. Many roof coatings are available in a variety of colors, including a bright silver finish that can help to reflect even more heat away from your home. Protect your home from summer heat and harsh weather conditions by contacting McHenry Roofing today at 410-774-6609 or visiting https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ to schedule your fibered aluminum roof coating installation.